Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to a new episode of Suffer and Cypher's channel. Alright, so today I was confused by this Dino Reveal because at first I thought I had it complete already. So this I believe 6 ultra rare it says. So I already complete all of these 6 dinos right here. Alright, so my understanding is this is A, B, C, and then G, H, I. So when I went again and I discovered this letter E, it says right there. And on the back it's different. It just says rare. Meanwhile this one says ultra rare. So meaning that they skip something. So this is the D, E, and F. So obviously I don't have this yet, but I'm assuming this E right here is the ELAPHROSAURUS, the orange one. So that means I don't have this Osteoraptor and Nothosaurus yet. So I'm still on a hunt on them now, because it was quite confusing. Like I said, I thought I already completed it, but obviously I didn't. It's totally different. So I complete the ultra rare, but the rare not yet. So I was confused by that. So that means I'm down with 2 more. I'm missing 2 more. So we're gonna unbox this. Hopefully it is the ELAPHROSAURUS because it's on the middle and it says an E. So let's check it out. Let's unbox it. Looks like Mattel got me there. Alright, let's open it up. Let's check it out. Okay, I don't want to damage it. It looks good. Okay, trying to be careful. Okay, let me open this again. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, it is an ELAPHROSAURUS, so this is the rare one, the orange one right here. So let's put it in the water, let's unveil it. Okay. Now that we got our water, let's soak it in. And while we're waiting, I'm gonna grab my ELAPHROSAURUS collection. They're all downstairs, so let's go get it. So here's my original Dino Tracker ELAPHROSAURUS, the very first one, the original. And then we have another Dino Tracker. This is my second Dino Tracker. I painted the claws, even the dew claws painted. Look at the tiny claw right there. I gave it like black spots in it, the tail, the jaw, the other side as well. There you go. And then I custom paint. Oh, actually, I'll show you the other 2 Dino Reveal. Here it is. This is the common ELAPHROSAURUS, and this is the ultra rare ELAPHROSAURUS. Now, you can tell it's right there. It says H, and this one says B. And this one that inside the canister is actually the E. So we got the rare one now. Let's put it right there. And I'm going to show you my custom paint ELAPHROSAURUS. Here it is, my fully custom paint ELAPHROSAURUS. It is a Dino Tracker. Painted the claws black. I googled the color and this is what it showed me. I said ELAPHROSAURUS and it gave me this, so painted it. Still move the jaw. I also varnish it already. So here's all my ELAPHROSAURUses. I like it. Pretty cool. There. Let's put them here. Now we're gonna check our new ELAPHROSAURUS. Let's open it up. Well, we're gonna rinse the water, so. Alright, so here it is now. The newest ELAPHROSAURUS. Not too bad. I like it. It doesn't have the letter on its feet anymore, but guaranteed this is an E. If you see an E in the bottom, then you get this rare ELAPHROSAURUS. Alright, so I got 3 Dino Tracker ELAPHROSAURUS and 3 Dino Reveal ELAPHROSAURUS now complete. So that means I have 1 more Nothosaurus to go and an Osteoraptor. There you go, guys. All the Osteoraptors. Oh, ELAPHROSAURUS. Excuse me. They get confusing now. I am confused. ELAPHROSAURUS. Okay guys, enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe. Let me wipe this up. Let me see if I can. I don't want to damage the paint underneath. Open the jaw. Uh-oh, yeah, I think I did. So let's do that. There you have it today. So this is the rare, and this is the ultra rare, and this is the common. Okay, finally have them. Alright guys, thank you again. You guys have a good evening, and we'll see you around. Thank you. Bye for now.